Good morning students. I hope you all are enjoying our online tutorials. In the earlier video we have started with the salts in second chapter acid, bases and salts, and three salts were discussed there: common salt, sodium hydroxide and baking soda. We have covered in that video. Now three words remaining. First one is bleaching powder, second one is washing soda, and last is plaster of Paris. So let's start with the very first topic, that is bleaching powder. So what is bleaching powder? Bleaching powder is calcium hypochlorite, means CaOCl2, and how it can be prepared? Through the chlor-alkali process, in which chlorine and sodium hydroxide is present there, and this chlorine is acted on a dry slake lime at the temperature of 40 degrees Celsius, and we will get with the bleaching powder. Slake lime is calcium hydroxide, and when chlorine is reacted with this slake lime, we obtained bleaching powder, means calcium hypochlorite with water. But this is not the exact formula of bleaching powder, means CaOCl2, but it is a mixture and it can be written as this. And in this 35% of chlorine is present there by weight, and this chlorine is very important and used in different fields, like, and hence there are many uses of bleaching powder. First one is it is used as an oxidizing agent in chemical industry. Why it is used as an oxidizing agent in chemical industry? Due to the presence of nascent oxygen in it, and due to the presence of 35 to 38% of chlorine, it is also used as a disinfecting drinking water, so that it can be free from the germs. And it is also used in many industries like textile, paper and in laundry. In a textile industry, it is used for the bleaching of cotton and linen clothes. In paper industry, it is used for the bleaching wood pulp. How? There are two papers, this one and this one. This is quite yellowish in color and this is white in color. So what is the difference between these two? It is a bleached paper and it is not. So in a paper industry, bleaching powder is used for bleaching the wood pulp to get the better quality of paper. In laundries, it is used for the bleaching washed clothes. Now next topic is washing soda. Washing soda is nothing but sodium carbonate decahydrate, and it is also known as the soda ash. And how it can be prepared? Through the Solvay process, and this Solvay process also known as ammonia soda process, due to the presence of ammonia and sodium chloride in it. And there are some raw materials which are required in this process. These are sodium chloride, limestone, means calcium carbonate, and ammonia. Both washing soda and baking soda can be obtained through this Solvay ammonia process, but many reactions are involved in this, and these are when sodium chloride reacted with ammonia with the carbon dioxide gas on it, we obtained ammonium chloride with sodium hydrogen carbonate, and this sodium hydrogen carbonate is known as baking soda. So this is the first step in which we obtained baking soda, means sodium hydrogen carbonate. But to getting the washing soda, two steps are further involved in this, and the next step is this baking soda heated, and we get the sodium carbonate with carbon dioxide and water, and due to this carbonate we obtain carbon dioxide and water as a product here. And this sodium carbonate further reacted with water gives us the sodium carbonate decahydrate, which is known as the washing soda. Next one is, it is very economical process, means Solvay ammonia process is very economical process. How? This calcium, we used raw material as a calcium carbonate, means limestone, which gives calcium oxide with carbon dioxide, and this calcium oxide's common name is quicklime. This calcium oxide when reacted with water gives the calcium hydroxide. This calcium hydroxide's common name is slaked lime also, and this calcium hydroxide reacted with the ammonium chloride, which is obtained in the first step, gives us the ammonia. Means this method is also regenerates the ammonia in the reaction. So how it can be economical, or why it can be economical? Because chemicals which have been produced can be used rapidly in the process. So it is very economical process. Now there are many applications of this. First one is, it is used in the glass, soap and paper industry. It is also used in the manufacturing of sodium compounds, like the borax is one of the sodium compound of it, and it is used as a cleansing agent in domestic purposes. And the last one is, it is used for removing permanent hardness of water. And now, what is permanent hardness? Permanent hardness of water is due to the presence of chloride and sulfate ions of magnesium, etc. So it is used for the removing of permanent hardness in water. Now next one topic is POP, means plaster of Paris. Its formula is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Here half water molecule is present and commonly named as POP. So how it can be prepared? On heating the gypsum to 373 Kelvin, we will obtain calcium sulfate hemihydrate. So what is gypsum now? Gypsum is a hydrated calcium sulfate, means CaSO4 twice H2O is a gypsum, and when we heated this to 373 Kelvin, it loses water molecules, 3/2 water molecules, and only calcium sulfate hemihydrates is obtained, which is known as the POP or plaster of Paris. So what are the basic properties of this plaster of Paris? It is white powder, and the important one is, on adding the water to this POP, means plaster of Paris, it again becomes the hard solid mass, which is known as the gypsum. Means this reaction is can be reversible also. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate when reacted with waters gives the hard mass known as gypsum, calcium sulfate twice H2O. Now what are the uses of this plaster of Paris? There are a lot of applications. This plaster of Paris, first one is, it is used for making the toys. It is also used for making the materials which are further used for the decorations in homes, hotels, etc. And the important use of this POP is for making the smooth surfaces or protecting the walls or ceilings from the water, etc. And it is also used for designing the walls or ceilings. And it is also used in the medical industry also. How? It is used by the doctors for spotting fractured bones to set at the right position. When some deformity get in the bones, so it is used for the spotting there. Now all the salts we have completed here. Thank you.